Mr. Voice of Mujib, YouTube channel Voice of Mujib. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your utmost love to the cricket and capturing the moments for us to cherish in the future. Thank you so much, Mr. Mujib. Final with great presentation of strength, stamina by the legends. We congratulate all the participants of this tournament and the players, the officials for your support. First of all, we start the ceremony thanking the sponsors of this tournament. We would like to call Mrs. Selika to the stage to give her the appreciation to our sponsors. First of all, we're calling the owner of Ajman Sports to come to the stage to receive the token of appreciation from TSL committee. I'm inviting the representative from BS Sports. In the absence of BS Sports owner, we are calling Mr. Shah Jahan to come to receive the stage. Thank you, Shah Jahan, to receive the award on behalf of BS Sports. Next, Mid Wicket Sports. We would like to call Maniat. Next, MCC Mullesheri. We will call Sabin Satyan to come to the stage and receive the award on behalf of owner of MCC Mullesheri. Next, I'm calling Mr. Radish Mankad on to receive the award for the appreciation for the great support for TSL committee, Mangat Sports, another support of the TSL 2026. Next, I'm calling Mr. Bakarka to receive the appreciation for Malabar Parda for your appreciation. Thank you. Thank you, Salika. We would like to call Mr. Maniatan to give you the appreciation for the sponsors. We continue the ceremony. We are calling Hyra Businessman Service, Selika, to come to the stage. We would like to thank you, Selika, for your support. Next, Blitz Tours and Travels, Mr. Jias. Thank you, Jiaska, for your great support. Migration Link, I'm calling Mr. Podi on behalf of Suhail to receive the memento from M10. Choco Lemon, invited to the owner of Choco Lemon, President Nisar. Thank you, Choco Lemon. Thank you, Nisar Bhai. Thank you, Maniatan. We are calling PR Kannan, Mr. PR Kannan, to come to the stage to give the award for sponsors. Mirage Perfumes, Pakarka, come and receive the award on behalf of Mirage Perfumes. OGS Medical, I'm inviting Mr. Pudi to receive the award on behalf of OGS Medical Free Zone. Another sponsor, Green Signal. I'm inviting Mr. Anshad to come to the stage to receive this award. Thank you, Anshad. Surur Al Madina Tours, Travels and Tourism, Mr. Nias. Mr. Nias, thank you, one of the sponsors of this tournament, Thrissur Super League. Legends Season 3, 2026. Season special associate sponsors. We are inviting Bakarka to come to the stage to give away the award. First of all, we're calling Aspirin Reality, one of the associate sponsors of this tournament, Aspirin Reality. Adil Yusuf Typing Center, Bakarka, come stage and give the award to the owner of the Adil Yusuf, Mr. Shah Jahan. The next stage, we are giving the special awards, giving to the umpires of this tournament, officials of this tournament. Mr. Nasser, if you come to the stage, we are thanking the officials of this tournament, Mr. Nasser, umpire of this tournament, associate umpire Shafiq, Mr. Shafiq. Thank you, Bipsha. I'm inviting Mr. Sabin Satyan to come to the stage to give away the continue the award for the special supports to the tournament. Mr. Shahid. Thank you. Our YouTube online support, Mr. Voice of Mujib, the YouTube channel Voice of Mujib, Mr. Mujibka. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your utmost love to the cricket and capturing the moments for us to cherish in the future. Thank you so much, Mr. Mujibka. Okay, we are continuing with starting with man of the match of this tournament. The first man of the match, Cosmos is between Migration Link. The man of the match, Animon. The man of the match for the first match. Thank you. Next match, Blitz versus Challengers, Siju. Match number 3, Madina versus Adli Yusuf, Taufik. Man of the match, Taufik. Great performance, Taufik. Next match, match number 4, Serok versus MCC. Zerok versus MCC. Mr. Anshad, man of the match. Match number 6, Migration versus Challengers. Man of the match, Ayub. Migration, Ayub. MCC. Okay. Thank you, Diaz bhai. I'm inviting Mr. Shahul to come to stage to continue the award for the man of the match. MCC versus Adil Yusuf, man of the match, PR Kannan. PR Kannan, great batting. Congratulations, PR Kannan. Match number 8, Zerok versus Al Madina, man of the match, Shahid. Blitz versus Migration, man of the match, Faisi. The legendary bowler, legendary all-rounder, Faisi. Thank you, Shahul. I'm inviting Mr. Anshad to come to stage to continue the award for man of the match. Challengers versus Cosmos, Sujish. Adil Yusuf versus Serok. Man of the match, PR Kannan. Adil Yusuf versus Serok, PR Kannan. Once again, great batting. MCC versus Al Madina, man of the match, Taufik. Asif bhai, come to stage to give out the award for the semi-finals man of the match. First semi-final, Challengers versus Adil Yusuf, man of the match, Sujish. Thank you, Asif bhai. I'm inviting Sijat to come to the stage. Mr. Sijat, second semi-final, the man of the match, Blitz versus Al Madina, Taufik. Once again, Taufik. Best catch on the grass. Inviting Mr. Siraj to come to the stage. Siraj bhai, best fielder of this tournament. Award goes to Ani from Challengers Patikara. Thank you. Sattar bhai, invited Sattar bhai to come to stage. He will be giving the award for the most force hit by a player in this tournament. The award goes to Sujish, 17 force. Okay. This award goes to most sixes. Sattar bhai, please be on stage. Most sixes of hit by this tournament, PR Kannan. Hit 16 sixes. 16 sixes. I'm inviting Sachin Ponani to come to the stage. Sachin, come, please. Sachin Ponani. Award is going to the highest individual score of this tournament, Mujib from Migration. 76 runs. Highest individual score of this tournament. Best bowling figures of this tournament, Taufik. 4 wicket, 12 runs in the last league match. Best bowling figure. Best bowling figure. Next award is for the best economy bowler of the tournament. I'm inviting Radish Mangat to come to stage to give away the award for the best bowling figure. Best economic bowler of this tournament. Award goes to Faizga. Faiz challenges particular. Next award is for the best wicket keeper. I'm inviting Mr. Haris Payoli to come to stage. Haris Payoli. Award is going to Mr. Rajiv. He'll be receiving a gloves from Mid Wicket Sports. Thank you, Mid Wicket Sports. Next award is for the best batter of this tournament. To give away the award, I'm calling Nisar, President, to come to stage. Best batter of this tournament is none other than P.R. Kannan. He'll be receiving a bat from Choco Lemon, also a gift hamper from Mirage Perfumes. Bat from Choco Lemon, and also perfume from Mirage. Okay, final man of the match of this Legend Season 3. The award goes to Kabir Avran. There is a cricket shoes from Mid Wicket Sports, sponsored by. Well played, Kabir. Award goes to none other than Tawfiq Bhai, receiving a shoes sponsored by PS Sports and a gift hamper from. MVP, inviting Rajiv Bhai and Anas to come to stage. This award is going to most valuable player of this tournament, P.R. Kannan. There is a television sponsored by MCC Mulasheri, the TV from MCC Mulasheri, cricket shoes from Ajman Sports, a cricket bat from OGS Medicals, a car perfumes from Green Signal, a gift hamper from Mirax Perfumes, and sunglasses from Surur Al Madina. Thank you, sponsors, for your generosity for the most valuable player of this tournament. I'm inviting Mr. Ismail Puri to come to the stage to give away the award, the trophy to the semi-finalists. So, runners of this tournament. The first team, I'm inviting the captain of Blitz, Tours and Towers, the captain of Blitz, to come to receive the semi-finalist award from Ismail Puri, Blitz captain. Mr. Afsal to come to the stage. Well played, Afsal. Chocoleman to come to stage. Captain of Adil Yusuf Chocoleman. Well played, the team. I'm inviting Salika to give away the trophy to the runners of this tournament. The second best team of this tournament, Legends Cup Season 3, sponsored by Adil Yusuf Typing Business Services. I'm inviting the captain of Surur, Rock Guys Al Madina. I'm captain of Nihas and the team to come and receive the award for the Runners Cup. Wonderful display throughout the tournament, unbeaten throughout till the final. Unfortunately, it's end on final. Great display, great team. Congratulations. The final ceremony, final trophy of this tournament, Legends League Season 3, sponsored by Adil Yusuf Typing Center. The final, the captain of Challenges Patikara and the rest team to come and receive the award from the sponsor, the title sponsor of this tournament, Mr. Shah Jahan. Well played, super performance, comprehensive victories. Congratulations, team Challenges Patikara, on behalf of TSL Super League Committee, the champions of Thrissur Super League Legends Cup Season 3. Once again, new champions in every season. With this one, we are ending the ceremony of presentation here. Thank you once again. Good night.
Yeah!